Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we look at how we can connect to a Windows 11 device from a macOS device. So this is the Windows 11 device, and what we need to do here is we need to make sure that remote desktop is enabled, and then we also need to make sure we have a user added to the remote desktop users. So let's go ahead and see what we need to do. I'm gonna search for remote desktop settings here. So remote desktop settings. Okay, here you just want to make sure that your remote desktop turned on. By default, I believe it's turned off. And then if you look here, there is a remote desktop users. You can click here, and then you'll need to add a user here or users that can connect to this machine remotely. Okay, so if you don't have a user yet, what we can do is you can create a user by going to the computer management. So let's search for computer management here. So open computer management, then go to expand local users and groups, click on users. Here's where you'll need to add a user. So right click in this window, new user, and then just give your username. For instance, just call the user Joe. You can add all this information if you want, but you need to at least have a username, and then you'll need a password. I'm just gonna uncheck this. So put in a password here for your user. So let's see, make sure the passwords match. Then click create, close, and there's the user. Okay, now you can come back here under remote desktop users, click on this, click add, and then here you need to search the user. So the username was Joe. I'll type in Joe and check names. So you found the username, click OK, and now the user is added. So that's how you'll add your user to this group, and you can click OK. The other thing we need here is the IP address for this Windows 11 device, and we'll use the command prompt. So just search for the command prompt, type in cmd, and then you'll do IP config /all, or you can just do IP config. That should give you the IP address. So in our case, it's 192.168.1.111. So that's what we'll need to input on the macOS device. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to the macOS device. Now, if you're going to be using the same user name as the one that's already logged in, you might want to log out from this machine. So I'm going to be using the user Eno. I'm going to go ahead and log out. So click on this, then sign out. Now let's look at the macOS device. So on the macOS device, you need to open the App Store. This is the App Store. Open it and search for, here you'll need to search for Windows app. This is what we want. So previously this was called Remote Desktop. You'll need to install it if you don't have it installed. Once you have it installed, you can click open, and it should open it for you. This is what it's going to look like. If it's your first time using this app, you're not going to have any devices saved. You'll need to add a device by clicking on this plus sign on the top right, then click add PC. Here you'll need to put in the IP address for the Windows 11 device. So it was 192.168.1.111. Credentials, just click here, add credentials. So here you'll put the username and the password. Okay, you can also show the password to check it. And also, if you already have credentials saved, you can select the credentials. Okay, then you can look at these other options. I'm not going to change anything else. I'm just going to click add. This is the device we just added, the Windows 11 device. Now to connect to it, you can click on this here, click connect, or you can double click, and you'll get this pop-up here. It's just warning you that the certificate is not verified or trusted. So just click continue, and then it's gonna probably open in full scale. I'm gonna minimize it. So here you see this is the IP 192.168.1.111. and I'm logged in. I'm just gonna, so as you can see, we're logged in and the user is Eno. So that's all for this video. That's how you can connect remotely to Windows 11 device from macOS. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.